Hi guys, I'm doing an unbagging video. This is a new bag that I just got. One of my friends, one of our church members actually got this for me as like a pastor appreciation gift. So this is a Calvin Klein bag. It is huge. And the reason why she got me this bag, I could put all my notebooks and my Bibles and everything in it. So this is what my bag looks like. It's wrapped in Calvin Klein paper. The bag it came in. This is what the front of the bag looks like. This is a nice bag. And the price is on the side. Okay, so I'm going to open it with you guys. It's nicely packaged, brand new. It looks a lot bigger when it was packaged in all the plastic and everything, but it's not that big. I thought it was like huge. And it has a strap, so if I get tired of carrying it like this, I can just use my strap. So I'm going to use it tomorrow. That's why I'm opening it. I told her I saved it so that I could do an unbagging video. Got a lot of paper stuffed in here. A lot of paper stuff. This is a nice bag. And it came with a bag, a dust bag. So it's Calvin Klein. Which is awesome because I just found a very gently used pair of shoes to match my bag, which I'll be showing you in a thrift haul. So it has a middle compartment right here in the middle. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show you that, but a middle compartment. And then it has the side pockets in the inside. And then the zipper. There's a zipper compartment back here. So this is nice. And if you saw this on my Instagram, I was talking about how I love surprises. Like, I appreciate everything I get, but when I'm surprised and not expecting anything, that's the best. So this is the bag, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video to share my new bag with you. Thanks for watching.